Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you receive USDT in the Coinbase application. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Coinbase application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the Coinbase application, guys, go ahead and log into your account. As you can see, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can either sign up for a new account or you can sign into an existing account. So guys, go ahead and log into your account using either one of these options. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application after you sign in. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see all the options that you can access, such as home, you can see your assets, trading, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to receive USDT. So as you can see in this main page right here, you have all the options that you can use, such as you can buy, you can go ahead and send money, or so on. And you can see one of the options right here is called receive. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and open up that receive option by tapping on it. So go ahead guys and click on receive, and this is going to open up a new page where you will be able to see your address. So guys, all you have to do to be able to receive USDT is to just go ahead and copy that address that will appear right there in that page. Copy that address guys and send it to the person that wants to send you USDT. After that, they can go ahead and click on the send button and then enter in your address and send you USDT, and you will receive it. And that is basically all that you have to do to be able to receive USDT. So yeah guys, after receiving it, it's going to appear in your wallet and in your assets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.